lower and upper bands dealing with nearest 10. Examples. Given that the number 150 is expressed to the nearest 10, A. Find the lower and upper bands. B. State the range of actual value. Solution. Now, the key phrase here, we have nearest 10. And since it's nearest 10, for nearest 10, where do we have that? And don't forget that we have a kind of place value that deals with tens. So this is unit and this is tens. So it means that we are dealing with this 5. And that is 10. So the first thing for us to do is to calculate errors. What will be the errors? That's going to be what? Plus or minus. Since it's nearest 10, then it's going to be plus or minus 10 divided by 2. And this will give us plus or minus 5. That's the error. Now we cannot get our lower band. Lower band, for lower band, what do we have? The actual value we have 150. Then what do? We take away 5. What do we have? We have 145. Take away 5 from 150, we have 145. Then for upper band, we are going to have what? 150, then plus 5. So we have a 155. That's the solution to part A. Now for part B, state the range of actual value. What will be the range of actual value? We know that the lower limit is 145, upper limit is 155. Now we can state the range of actual value in such a way that we can write 145 to 155. But specifically expressing it as an inequality, we can also write inequality form. Inequality form, what do we have? That is 145 less than or equals to A less than what? 155. Then we need to write what is A, where A is actual value. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.